Welcome to Portland Wiring Harness. Here we are in our applicator lab where we build applicators, the tooling that it takes to build wiring harnesses. Portland Wiring Harness has been in business since 1984. We've been making harnesses since the year 2000 here in Portland. We build harnesses for all sorts of machines, classic cars, modern cars, electric vehicles, and definitely autonomous vehicles as well. We are adept at making extremely reliable harnesses. Extremely reliable harnesses require special tooling. And I'm going to show you what it takes to make an extremely reliable, life safety dependent electrical connection. Step one in making a high quality life safety connection is to label it or document it. Sometimes that's volumes of written paper, sometimes that's a little ring that has a number on it. It's entirely dependent on what the customer needs, but it will be documented if it's made by us. The next step is to strip it. And that means to expose the wire, the actual electrical conductor. We have all kinds of special machines that meet all kinds of specifications, even at a molecular level, to strip these wires. This wire was just stripped to an exact length, 3.5 millimeters. It was not touched by the cutting blades. There's no marring, there's no tearing of the insulation, and it's ready to actually be adhered to a electrical contact. This is one of the applicators that we've built specifically for a project. This is what it looks like to make a 4,000 pound electrical crimp on a tiny little wire. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm not sure if the camera can get in close enough, but that is an absolutely perfect connection that will keep people alive on the road in a vehicle driven by a computer. Here at Portland Wiring Harness, we have our own tool building lab. We are able to respond to a customer's changes and drawings immediately, 24 hours maybe. And the rest of the industry contracts out their applicator building or their tool building, and each of these changes might take 16 weeks. For us, it might be 24 hours. In a rapidly expanding field like autonomous vehicles, the research has to be continuous and not come to a stop for 4 months. We never share information about our customers or their designs, but it was recently disclosed to us by a major European car manufacturer that they had examined one of the harnesses that Portland Wiring Harness had built and installed in the European market, and they considered our harness to be of better quality and safety standards than their own factory-produced harnesses. Portland Wiring Harness regularly exceeds the engineering expectations of crimps that they make. We do accurate pull testing. We have crimp force monitoring. If you are one of our customers, we have the ability to provide to you a digital record of every single crimp in your wiring harness, creating a situation where you have 100% traceability. Portland Wiring Harness would love to talk to you about your project. Give us a call.